India, over 1.2 billion people, the second most populous country in the world. It is safe to say that India is alive with a spectacular mix of people, traditions, and landscapes. India isn't the country you see, it is a country you feel, or in my case, taste. The street food is like nothing you've ever seen. It is truly a blend of tradition and culture. The combination of smells, flavors, and technique will awaken all your senses. In every nook and cranny, they are cooking. One would assume that the biggest decision to be made is what spice to use. Choosing from India's unlimited supply will leave you feeling like a kid in a candy store, always wanting more. Fire it up. Tradition is India, and their cooking does not fall short. But add the old with the new, and you have a modern spin on old recipes. Indian fusion. It will leave a memory on your palate that will last a lifetime. The chefs and cooks delight in this opportunity to showcase the blending of traditional recipes and new ideas to create new Indian cuisine. To make the best dishes, you need the best produce. Agriculture in India provides food to eat, but is also undoubtedly the largest livelihood provider. On many of the farms in India, farming is a family affair, and each person in the family has their job to do, from planting, milking, harvesting, cooking, to bringing the produce to market. Everyone plays a part to make the farm a success. The farm families participate in organic and sustainable practices, which has allowed the farms to be part of the families for generations. India, an abundance of sights, sounds, spirits, tradition, and flavor. How you choose to experience India is up to you. Namaste.